Okay, what are we doing is we got soap, Ivy soap. Okay, thank you, that was nice. In the microwave. And we are going to nuke it. Let's see what happens to it. What do you think is going to happen, Riley?
It's going to explode.
It's going to just bubbles everywhere?
Bubbles, white bubbles.
Let's see what happens. Can you see? You need a chair? Go get a chair. Go get a chair. Let's go. Oop, there it is. Wow, it smells like soap too. Oh my god, I wonder how big it's gonna get. Yeah, you think it's gonna cover the whole? Oh my god, it's going over the thing now. Oh, it's gonna.
I'm surprised you can smell it.
Oh, look at that. Oh, it's still going. You're cleaning this thing up. Oh, well, that really smells. Okay, so okay, should we stop it? I think it's. Is it? Yeah. Okay. Oh. It's like. Yeah, ooh, ow, that's hot.
It's like snow.
Like snow, yeah.
Soft snow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, there's some more. Hold on. Ooh, that's hot. Out there. Ooh, ow, it's hot. Wait, don't get the bar. Ow. Alright. Hit it one more time. It's exploding. It's so magical inside. Oh, look at that. That's a funny one. Okay. So that's what you do when you have an ivory bar, two boys and nothing to do. That's what we do.